In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter sizes in QuickBooks Inventory. If you sell items like shirts, shoes, or any product that comes in multiple sizes, the cleanest way to track stock is to create a separate inventory item for each size. That way, each size has its own quantity, cost, and sales history, which makes purchasing, selling, and reporting much more accurate. Let's start by getting to the place where you add a new item. In QuickBooks Desktop, open the List menu, choose Item List, then click Item and select New. If you're using QuickBooks Online, click the Settings gear, choose Products and Services, then click New. The process looks slightly different between versions, but the fields you'll complete are essentially the same. Create an inventory part, sometimes labeled Inventory Item, in QuickBooks Online. For the name or number, include the size right in the name so it's unmistakable when you search or add it to a transaction. For example, t-shirt, small. Keeping a consistent naming pattern will save you time later, especially when your list grows. If you use item numbers or SKUs, mirror the size there as well to match what's on your shelf labels or vendor catalogs. Add a clear sales description if you like, such as cotton t-shirt, small. This is optional, but it helps your team and your customers see the exact variant on invoices and sales receipts. Next, enter the purchase cost you pay your vendor and the sales price you charge your customer. If your costs or prices vary by size, reflect that here. If they're the same, keep them consistent across sizes for easier reporting. Assign the correct account so your financials stay accurate. Use your inventory asset account to hold the value of stock on hand, your cost of goods sold account for the cost when items are sold, and your sales or income account for revenue. If you're unsure, confirm with your accountant so items post correctly from day one. If you're bringing in existing stock, you can enter an opening quantity on hand and the as of date. Be careful with this field. It sets your starting inventory value and affects your balance sheet. If you don't have reliable counts yet, skip it now and adjust quantities later with a dedicated inventory adjustment. Save the item and then repeat the process for each size you carry, such as t-shirt, medium, t-shirt, large, and t-shirt XL. Keep the naming consistent, use the same accounts, and tailor cost or price only if needed. Once finished, you'll be able to purchase, receive, sell, and report by size with clear, separate quantities for each variant. That's all there is to it. Now your inventory is sized, searchable, and ready for accurate tracking.